In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from automatically marking emails as read. This simple guide will help you manage your inbox more efficiently and ensure you don't miss any important messages by maintaining the unread status until you're ready to address them. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Microsoft Outlook, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Outlook website. Once you're there, go ahead and locate the sign in option, which you'll find conveniently placed in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to sign in with your email and password. Make sure you use the credentials associated with your Outlook account to access your emails. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The next step is to find the settings icon. Again, this is located in the top right corner of your screen. It typically looks like a gear or cogwheel, so click on that to open the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens, as you can customize your Outlook experience to suit your preferences. Now, from this settings menu, you'll want to focus your attention on the option called message handling. This feature dictates how your messages are processed and displayed as you navigate through them. Click into message handling, and you should see a selection of options tailored to managing your emails more effectively. The next crucial step is to locate the option titled "Don't automatically mark items as read." This particular setting is what controls whether your email transitions to a read status automatically as you select and view them in your inbox. By activating this feature, you maintain control over the status of your emails, allowing you to keep track of everything that still needs your attention. After making this selection, the final step is to ensure that these changes are preserved. Look for the Save button, which is typically located towards the bottom of the settings menu. Click on it to apply your changes. It's always a good practice to double check that your settings have been saved by navigating away and returning to confirm that your preferences remain intact. And there you have it. With these settings adjusted, Outlook will no longer automatically mark your emails as read, giving you complete oversight over your unread mail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Stay organized and see you in the next video.